a robotics company has 3D printed nearly 100 homes in Texas. More on that in moments, but first, you can get a 4-pack of Apple AirTags right now for even less than it went for during Amazon Prime Day. The multi-pack is currently 26% off on Amazon, dropping the price down to just $73. That's the cheapest we've seen it go in recent memory. A pack of 4 usually costs $99. The individual AirTag is discounted too, if you only need one. Normally $30, a single AirTag right now costs just $24. Apple's Find My app lets you track as many as 32 items, so you can use AirTags for peace of mind on all your important belongings. Head over to Engadget.com for the latest gadget news, reviews, price drops, and more. And X has introduced new options for sorting replies that should make it easier to see the comments you're actually interested in. The social media platform announced that replies can now be sorted by most relevant, most recent, and most liked. While the average X user may not be getting hundreds of replies to their posts, the reply section on posts from accounts with thousands or millions of followers can be chaotic. And since replies from blue-check users are ranked higher, what shows up at the top may not be what's newest or most pertinent. Find more on this story at Engadget.com. It's taken almost 2 years, but a planned community of homes made with a gigantic 3D printer in Georgetown, Texas, is almost complete. Reuters reports that the homes, which are part of a community called Wolf Ranch, are being built with a large 3D printer called the Vulcan that's 45 feet wide and weighs more than 4.75 tons. The project is part of a joint venture with the 3D printing construction developer Icon and the home construction company Lennar. It started in November of 2022, and crews are close to completing its goal of building 100 homes with the Vulcan by the end of the summer. Homeowners have already started moving into some of the completed 3D printed homes that range in price from $450,000 to $600,000. More than a quarter of the homes have been sold. Icon's 3D printer uses a mixture of concrete powder, water, sand, and other materials to lay out stacks of tube-shaped concrete to construct walls and eventually a whole house. The homes are single-story dwellings with 3 to 4 bedrooms that take around 3 weeks to print. The foundation and metal roofs are made the old-fashioned way with human crews. Once printed, the walls look like giant stretches of corduroy, but they are designed to be resilient and sustainable even in extreme weather. They are also water-resistant and energy-efficient. The contemporary ranch-style designs for the houses were provided by the architectural firm Big Bjark Ingels Group, according to an Icon press release. The construction process has also been streamlined over the course of the project. Icon senior project manager Connor Jenkins told Reuters that construction started with 5 different building crews, but it's since been whittled down to just 1 crew and 1 robot printer. The only downside is the thickness of the walls interferes with Wi-Fi signals. Residents have had to use mesh internet routers with broadcast signals located throughout the home instead of just a single router. Icon isn't just using its large-scale 3D printer to make homes on Earth. NASA is reportedly interested in using the technology to build structures on the moon for its Artemis moon exploration program scheduled to launch its first crew in September 2025. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Danny Gallagher and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.